Good morning. It's Tuesday. I'm breathing, I'm alive, God is good. Today is a beach day. I think it'll be my last beach day before school starts, unfortunately. So I'm heading to Limassol. My friend actually surprised me, so I thought I'd vlog. Yeah, she didn't tell me she was coming, but she's here and she's in Limassol. So I'm gonna go and spend the day with her. I need to go to IKEA and get a new table. Not table, sorry, I get a new office chair. So I'm gonna go and do that, get a new office chair. And I also need to get an ironing board. So just boring errands I need to run in IKEA. But it's a beautiful day. Nice and sunny. I'm gonna go and do all of those things, put my face on, and then head to the beach. Back now, very sweaty, but yeah, got my chair, which I needed to get. It's just sitting there. Need to put that together at some point. I forgot to film when I was in IKEA because my camera died and I just had my phone, and I forgot to get it out because I was in a rush, like determined, and I went to Nespresso as well to pick up some coffee pods. So yeah, I didn't actually film what I was getting and everything. And I got my ironing board, which was really important to get because I cannot stand ironing on the bed and the sofa. Very annoying. And I got a kitchen bin. I was kind of shocked that this place didn't come with a kitchen bin, but I had to get one of those and ended up picking up some extra things, which always happens in IKEA because they make you walk through the last bit and you see all this stuff that you didn't intend on getting. But yeah, so I got all of that. And I've been speaking to some friends and I'm going to spend a couple of days in Limassol, which will be nice to be by the sea and just soak up some sun, get some vitamin D. Yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and do all that. I'm just waiting for another friend who's going to Limassol and is kindly giving me a microwave. So I'm waiting for her, that's the plan. I'm just packing a bag now to get ready to go. I had to do some things for student finance as well, which took up some time, but I should get on the road soon. Need to get some gas too. There's my baby. Look at her. I haven't got a name for her yet. We've just broken down for like the second time. Had to stop the car and pop the hood and act as if we know what we're doing. But Christian was a good help. We've got someone on the way to save us now from this heat. It's so hot. We're like dying and drowning in our own sweat. It's gross. Sorry, Christian.
No, it's alright. I'm absolutely fine.
Oh, this is the car situation. But the cars are coming so fast from here. I'm scared to go outside. You can see how fast they come by. Okay, now they're coming slow, but they were going fast before. Hopefully someone will save us soon. finish F1 and we're so proud of her. Oh, so sweet. It's frappe time.